Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PULM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price definitely started to show some signs of life. I mean, obviously not as much life as this area over here, but after the pullback, things went sideways, and then the price, this morning really boomed upward. So when you stop and think about where the price was just yesterday, and now you're looking at where the price was, yeah, I get it. It did pull back from its highs today, but still, compared to where it was, compared to where it is right now, that does bring about the logical question of, is this the start of something bigger? Or in other words, is this price movement truly strong, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And it actually already revolves around a level that I've had on the chart here, right here at 57 cents. Why is 57 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power. So if this is the start of something bigger, well, it's going to keep on getting bigger, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is stronger and going to get bigger, it's not going to go back to where it was, because that would be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 57. Any sort of closes below there, or worse said, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And in this case, quote unquote, make progress, I'm quantifying that statement as 57 cents. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those, because in my opinion, top priority by far right now is all about building higher bases and going through those healthy consolidations, because with those healthy consolidations, that implies higher bases, and higher bases over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So nice move today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.